How to use Kraken, everything you need to know. Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's clear something up right away. Most people think using a crypto exchange is simple. You basically sign up, buy a coin, and you're done. And that is exactly why most people will lose their money, get confused, or never actually use the platform properly. Because the reality is, a platform like Kraken is not just a place to buy crypto. It is a full financial system. It's going to let you trade, stake, manage assets, and interact with the crypto market in ways that most beginners never even touch. So in this video, we're going to go through everything from setting up your account to understanding the interface to advanced features like trading, staking. So you can actually use Kraken like someone who knows what they're going to be doing. So the first step is setting up your account. Now this is where most people are going to rush and make mistakes. So over here, make sure to go ahead and sign up with your correct email, with your correct details. Okay, when you sign up on Kraken, you'll go through identity verification. Now, this is not going to be optional. You are going to want to make sure to add in the exact things that they're going to ask of you. So make sure to use the right email, make sure to use any thing that they ask of you. And once you've added your email, they're going to send you a verification. Okay. And once you send in a verification, you're simply going to come over here. And once we have gotten the email for ourselves, what we're simply going to be doing is we're going to add in the verification code straight into the clipboard that they've given us. So here we have it, Kraken 960801. So you're simply going to go ahead and add the information. Once you've done that, hit continue. And here you're going to choose a password for yourself. Now, once we add our password, what we're simply going to do from there on out is we're going to go ahead and give it a continue section. And once that is done, it asks you where do you live. You're obviously going to let them know. Once you have done that, here is where the verification bit will come in. And now, as I told you, this is not going to be optional. You will need to provide basic personal details and verify all of your identity. So give them your, first name, give them your general address, where you live, etc. And once you have given it all of that, give them your phone number. What is your employment status? Let's go with employed, unemployed. I'm going to go with student. And once that is done, make sure you have added everything. And once everything is in, you are going to make sure to see if your street address is correct. Do make sure to add in the correct address for yourself. And once all of that is done, we're going to hit continue. Once you hit continue, they're going to ask you first a little, general information. So you can go ahead and give it. So how do you plan to use Kraken? Let's go with investor trade crypto. What is your sources of fund? Let's go with income from self-employment. How much money do you expect to deposit? Less than 1,000. How many trades? Fewer than 10. Let's hit continue. Once you've done that, they're going to ask you, where does your wealth come from? Let's go with self-employed. Then finally click on continue. Now, once all of that is done, here's where you're going to need to be a little smart. They're going to ask you to upload a photo ID for yourself. Okay. And what country is your government ID from? You're going to hit continue over here. Now, they're going to ask, we require a government ID to verify your identity. So I'm going to go with my national ID. And from here, I'm simply going to upload my own. And then once it's done, I'm going to proceed forward. Now, once all of that is done, it's going to bring you here. So I'm simply going to skip all of that. And now it's going to ask you if you want to go to Kraken or Kraken Pro or even the desktop app. I'm simply going to go over to the normal Kraken for now. If you want to go ahead and use Pro, obviously that is for you to decide. Now, crypto platforms are secure, but your account is only as secure as your habits. So do make sure to set up something like two-factor authentication so it saves you from problems later. Now, the interface is, probably going to feel overwhelming in the start. You're going to see balances, different charts, markets, and multiple tabs. Now, most beginners are going to panic here. But the key is to understand that everything is very organized around a simple idea: your assets and how you interact with them. Now, your portfolio is going to show what you own. The market section shows you what you can actually trade. So portfolio over here is going to give you your balances and, the different coins you own. Then there's the general market. in the general market, you can see we have every single chart, okay? And the funding section is going to let you deposit and withdraw your money. Now, once you understand the structure, the platform becomes much easier to navigate. Now, before you can buy anything, you need to deposit funds. Kraken allows both fiat deposits like USD, EUR, or your local currency, and crypto deposits if you already own assets. Now, if you're starting off fresh, you will likely deposit fiat using a bank transfer or supported payment methods. So, if you click on deposit, obviously do make sure your verification is complete, and once that is done, go ahead, choose your deposit section and deposit it through that. Now, once your funds arrive, they'll appear in your balance right here, okay? So once they're here, go ahead and start working through with it. Now comes the most people part where, people are going to be excited buying the actual crypto. Now, Kraken offers a simple buy interface for beginners. You are going to go ahead and simply choose an asset that you want to buy. Okay, so you could go over to Explore, you could go over to Activity, whatever you want. And here you're going to find different cryptos. So let's say over here, I want to get a little Rave.io. Okay, this is a new crypto that's gaining pretty well. And right now it is at $1. Okay, and obviously it came up all the way from 0.3 to 1 in like, a few hours, which is pretty incredible, right? So the simple option is quick and easy. Okay, what you can simply do is add in the amount you want to buy it with. And obviously, I would say just use Tether USD because, it converts your currency into USDT and buys through that. And once that is done, go ahead and get it. Now, if you're serious about using the platform, it's worth learning the advanced side of buying. Now, trading is where Kraken becomes much more powerful. Instead of just buying at the current price, you can place different types of orders. So for example, you can set a price at which you want to buy or sell rather than accepting the current market price, which is basically margin trading. This gives you control. You're no longer reacting to the market, you're planning your actions. You're also going to go ahead and see the charts. You're going to see how in action the coin actually is. So let's say if I were to go ahead and click on Bitcoin, it's going to go ahead and open something like this for me. And if you have the desktop app, it actually allows you to go ahead and see the pipe charts as well for this specific section. You're going to see charts, order books, trading pairs, and at first this might look complex, but it's a simple way of showing you supply, demand, and all of the pricing movements. So once you understand these basics, you're pretty much good to go. Then obviously the most attractive feature is going to be staking. Staking is going to allow you to earn rewards on certain cryptocurrencies simply by holding them on the platform. Instead of assets sitting idle, they turn returns over time. Obviously, there are cryptos that do that. There's cryptos that don't do that. So go ahead and search it up, which crypto is going to do that, and you're good to go. However, it is important to understand the risks and lockup periods associated with staking. You should always know what you're committing to before enabling it. So at the end of the day, Kraken is quite a powerful platform, but only if you understand how to use it properly. Once you move beyond the basics and start using its features strategically, it becomes more than just an exchange. It becomes a tool for managing and growing your assets. So take the time to learn it and use it very carefully and build your confidence step by step. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description if you want to try Kraken yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.